Alright, so this is just a trade journal for May 24th and May 24th, 2024. I just want to explain how I lost $400 today. Basically, took back the week's profit that I made off of just one day, making stupid decisions, not really following my plan, and not knowing the risk involved. And I preach risk management because that's what keeps me in the game for the long haul. But I guess today I just blew that out of the fucking window. I just didn't really follow or understand the risk that I was in, and it sort of bit me in the ass because that's the one thing you need to know before becoming profitable. And I am profitable. It's just uh, I felt like today it was like a weird deja vu moment. It was more or less a this day was just filled with the past me. The past me that was impatient, that would just chase a trade, not really understanding the volume, just getting in a trade because I want to get in a trade. Uh, Over leveraged, that's the thing. Revenge trading, tilt. Literally all the bad retail trader psychology, this was today. So there are a lot of things I could take out of this. And I'll just show the two trades that I took. And it started with Microsoft. So let's go to Microsoft here. And one thing that you know is look at this, just look at this right here. This Microsoft is basically break and retest the previous highs. And I went counter to that. So what I mean break and retest the previous highs is here's our previous high right here. We break it, retest it. Here's the previous high right here. We break it, retest it. So basically I should have been following this type of trade. This is my strategy. I do the break and retest, but I guess just today I didn't really follow it. So what I saw today on the Microsoft trade and Microsoft this this and the other trade later made me lose the most, but this one was just like just to start the day. So before I got in this trade, the key level was like right about here. Yeah, it was like right about there. So here's my key level over here, and I was looking for the break and retest at first. So I did follow my strategy at first, which was the break and retest. So here's previous high, we retested it once over here, I tested it once over here, and then here's the other test. This is where I got caught. So let's put my not strategies, my studies on. I use the VWAP and the 9 EMA, and purple line is the 9 EMA, gray line is the VWAP. So basically what I was seeing here was we had the strong selling volume over here on this day, and then I did not expect it to retest it, even though this is literally a break and retest type of stock. I didn't expect it to happen because I saw this flush over here. Not really flush, I don't know why I keep saying that, but I saw this like escape from this key level forming over here. And not only that, I saw it, let me make it easier of what I saw. I saw it basically like this. And this looked very, very bearish to me. And you know, this does look like some sort of bearish play, breaking the key level. And if it breaks the key level, then I was expecting more of the buyers who were at that level supporting it just to get out and fuel another leg lower. But that did not happen. We bounced right off of it. And that's where I sold, like over here. And the thing is, I got right back into it again, like right over here. And I don't know why I got back into it. So I sold the first position. I got in the second position over here, going short again. But this does look pretty bullish now. We know we're above VWAP, we're above the 9 EMA. This is just healthy consolidation. And now here's another leg higher. So usually I would get in a trade like this for the long side, but I don't know why I took it short. Um, I guess it was just a short because after like one day of bearish volume, I tend to I tend to try and continue that, but really that's just the flush. That's just the flush for the volume. There's going to be more opportunities, but I should have just taken this long. And now that when you really look into it, this was just a bad key level. And I pride myself usually on taking good key levels, but this one was just fucking horrible. Um, I didn't take into account this demand over here that's been forming. I put the key level up here, so that when it broke it down here a little bit, so as you can see, it went down here a little bit below this green box of support. So then that made me think, oh, there's going to be even more shorts. But this this block over here of consolidation was a lot of orders which fueled it higher. So I did not take that into account. That was bad. So what I learned from Microsoft, I need to understand the risk that I was in because of drawdown. I was using a lot more money than I usually did, so that made me like apprehensive. That made me realize, oh, maybe this trade might not be the best one, and it just subconsciously blocked me. Uh, and then after this, oh my God, I went to ES, and then at 708, 716, I took another shorts. So 708, that's probably like right here. Yeah, I sold like over here, so I take another short over here when it's literally just, and I don't know why I took this, but it's literally just we have an area over here that we can't get above. We break and we come back into the area. Not only do we come back into the area, but we see some healthy consolidation. We see the break, we see the retest back into this area for another leg higher. And I trade this strategy. This is my strategy. I just followed a different one for today, which was to go short. I guess I was just revenge trading. I was on tilt. And not only that, but I over leveraged myself. So after those two losses, I was like, okay, maybe I can make this shit back. I did not. I lost even more. So yeah, that's just the trade recap for today. You know, I can bounce back. It's just after a week's profit, all the progress I made just gone in one day because of stupid mistakes. It does suck, but it really could have been more. It really could have been more. I'm just glad that I just took the L. I'll work from it. Um, Tomorrow I'll just go normal size, won't go oversized, and just trade my strategy. Trade my strategy. That's all I need to do.